Hello everyone, today's video is on my Kurt Geiger bag. My Kurt Geiger mini Kensington rainbow bag. If that's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and hit that like button right now, as well as hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new videos. So yeah, I wanted to talk about this Kurt Geiger Kensington bag out of my collection. This baby right here, this little cutie, and basically, I unboxed this beauty on my channel a little while ago, and I've been wearing it for a while because I've had her in my collection now for a little while. So I figured it would be a good idea to come back and tell you how this bag worked out for me. So first of all, let me say it's a very, very tiny bag. And you know, we've been having in my area in the Midwest where I live, we've been having a lot of warm weather right now. That's why I'm a little bit out of my comfort zone, and I've been experimenting with color, with wearing colors, because normally I wear a lot of all black. And I know I say that a lot, but I'm just, you know, repeating it for those of you just tuning in and new subscribers to my channel. While we're talking about that, welcome all my new subscribers. And basically, I wear a lot of all black, but it is summertime right now, and all black can be a little bit warm in the summertime. So I've been trying to step out of my comfort zone and experiment with color and wear a little bit more colors. And this particular Kensington bag has so many colors from the rainbow in it. I absolutely love the rhinestone detail of this bag. It's so pretty. And she is a little showstopper. While I was out, you know, a couple of women, you know, several women during my travels during the course of the day, wherever I went, would compliment me on this bag. And the thing for me is the leather is so soft. The leather is so soft and squishy on this bag. Basically, every time I wore it, I found myself, you know, squeezing it, which, you know, I don't always want to do, but it was just so enjoyable. It was enjoyable to wear because it was very squeezably soft. But let me say this, you guys. This little bag cannot hold a doggone thing. This little bag really can't hardly hold anything. It's actually smaller than the mini Kensingtons in the jelly, like this little yellow one that I have behind me. The jellies are actually a tad bit larger than this bag. So just in case you're interested in it and you are looking for a mini bag that can hold or fit a lot, let me say this little bag can't hardly hold anything. It really, this is everything that I had in the bag. So basically, while I was out, I had the first thing that I would put in the bag is my card holder. I would put a card holder in the bag. The next thing that I've had in the bag was a lip gloss, because I did want to have a mask with me and a lip balm. So I had some chapstick, and then I had my glasses, my regular glasses, and then I had my phone. I put my phone in the bag, and I have a iPhone 11, which could fit in the bag. And then I would put my 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton. After I would put my 6-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton in the bag, I would try to sometimes fit my sunglasses in the bag. However, you know, sometimes that wouldn't really work out. And I found myself putting my sunglasses on my visor in my car while I was driving. Because the bag was really, you know, stuffed. It was really packed with the few items that I showed you that I carried with me. Another thing is, because the bag was so tight and so packed, I found myself, every time I wore crossbody, and every time I went in and out the bag, I found myself double checking, you know, looking around on the ground and double checking, just trying to make sure that I didn't drop anything or that nothing fell out of the bag when I went inside of it. So I was, you know, very consciously aware of that. I was always checking to make sure that I didn't drop anything. So this particular bag came with this dust bag right here, the Kurt Geiger dust bag, so soft. And this is what the interior looks like. And it's very small and tiny in there. Very small and tiny. The opening of the mouth is, you know, it's pretty small. And you know, would I recommend purchasing this bag? Heck yeah, absolutely. I still would recommend purchasing this bag because it's so much fun to wear crossbody. It's such a fun bag to wear. It's so beautiful to look at. It's so squeezably soft, but can it hold a lot? Heck no, it can't. It really can't hold a doggone thing, you guys. Do I love it? Yes, I love it. Would I recommend it? Yes, absolutely. I would still absolutely recommend this bag. I love it so much. It's so, so pretty. And I enjoyed wearing it with some of my summer sandals. I enjoyed wearing it with the outfit that I have on today. Some little mini shorts and this little yellow tank top. So yeah, let me go ahead and see if I can give you guys a quick little, I'll step out of frame for a minute and see if I can give you a quick little look of how I wore it. So basically, I had it on crossbody, and you know, I had it on with my summer shorts and with my tank top. So basically, this is the way I had her on crossbody, and I absolutely love it in my collection. I will basically wear it crossbody or just carry it in my hand, but this is the way I basically wore it. And like I said, this little rainbow mini Kensington is so adorably cute. So stinking cute, you guys. The quilted leather on her is absolutely beautiful. So soft. I love the rhinestone detail and the rainbow. And I always say, anytime I think of this little rainbow, I think of Luxy Days. I think of her here on Instagram and on YouTube. Just reminds me of you, Luxy. But yeah, I absolutely love this bag. But I have to say once again that it really cannot hold a lot. So if you are looking for a bag, you know, a mini bag, just a little something that you want to just throw a few little items in, no big wallet, just maybe a card holder, your keys, and your cell phone, this would be a very, very nice bag to purchase. And I'm going to go ahead and put the dimensions down below. I still absolutely recommend this bag, but it's just, it can't really hold that much, you guys, but it's still an adorably cute Kurt Geiger bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and stay tuned to my channel for other Kurt Geiger bag videos, and I'll see you again soon in another video.